Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto E XT2052 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create an opening. And then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Please note that the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. The easiest method to disconnect the button is to gently push the sensor button after applying some heat. Next, gently pull out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the board. Next, disconnect and remove the not working front camera from the top center of the logic board. Next, to remove and replace the rear cameras, we need to remove the logic board from the body. First, disconnect the antenna head, main flex and LCD connector from the logic board. And then undo 2 screws holding the logic board. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, gently pull the logic board from the body by moving the cables. Next, gently flip the board to remove the not working macro and main cameras from the logic board. Next, place and secure the new macro and main cameras on the board. Next, secure the logic board to the body. Next, secure the main flex and LCD connector plugs. Next, secure both screws. Next, secure the SIM tray. Next, secure the antenna connector. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 11 screws. Next, ensure it has enough glue before installing the main back cover. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Be gentle with the fingerprint sensor while installing the back cover. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.